It also has this Santoprene material which can resist perspiration, water, oil. This is the ideal twist nut handle, and it can handle a variety of attachments. Its main feature is the wire connector wrench at the top, which will accommodate multiple wire nut sizes. Such popular sizes like your red wire nut, your yellows, and your all popular tan wire nuts with the wings on the sides, which can also fit. It has 6 torsion bars here, and that's all for grip. It also has this Santoprene material which can resist perspiration, water, oil, and chemicals. It also has this AccuLoop feature here, and what this can do is if you have your wires and you actually wanted to make a loop, you just insert that all the way in and push down with your thumb, and it'll make your perfect loop. There's also a shaft that can be attached to this twist nut handle, and when you piece it together, you get what is called the 7-in-1 twist nut screwdriver, and features a number 2 Phillips, a 1/4 inch slotted, a 5/16 nut driver. If you turn this over, get a number 1 Phillips, a 3/16 slotted, and a 1/4 inch nut driver. Another attachment that can be put on this twist nut handle is this conduit de-burring tool, and when you piece it together, you have a tool that can get your conduit and you can clean it out. So after you cut your conduit, this tool here will clean out the rough edges. It will clean out those edges there, and you'll be able to attach your conduit attachments. And after you do that, this bell location here, it's like a little bell housing, has a square tip, kind of like a screwdriver there, and that will allow you to grab your conduit screw, your conduit attachment screw, and will help you get that on there nice and tight. It's also available in a slotted, and that would be the primary reason for this bell housing here. So if you had the slotted, the screw wouldn't slip anywhere as you were tightening it down. And last, there's this carbon steel tapping tool, and if you piece it together with your twist nut handle, now you're able to have something to grab onto as you turn to either form new threads or reform bird threads. So if you had a box like this and you needed to tap another hole to run a screw through it, you can actually drill your hole out and then get this device here, which is your tapping tool, and you can make those screw threads. So if you wanted to make a screw thread for a ground screw and you wanted to like place it in that location, that would be possible with this tool. It features 632. You can make an 832 thread or a 1032 thread. On the other side here, you can make a 1024 thread, 1224, and also, I don't know if you guys can see this, 1/4 inch, 1/4 by 20. I was also able to pick up the pouch that this goes with, and it's the model 35-927, and I think that pretty much does it. Hope you like this video. Feel free to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll keep making more content for you. Thanks for watching. And until next time.